Baba na may raya na eh. Dito yung pagka na pa. Tuga mga okay dito untan. So lilipat lang yung kwan, then i-reuse yung tornilyo yung bolt. So this Luciano, this is plug and play. We call it plug and play. So okay, so next is ililipat na natin yung kwan, yung parking brake muna. Step by step tayo. So tatanggalin muna natin to. Makaikin karton na balog kaya pangikin namin natin. Tanggalin to. Tanggalin na rin to. Side mirror muna, tanggalin. Okay. Ito. So, ito naman ang tatanggalin natin. So, Luciano wants to convert it because you are used to T-Max, right? He used to. Okay. So ito, may pamalit tayo rito na support para dito, para bumalik siya sa original configuration. So ito, babalik to. Then, tanggal to. Tapos to. Susunod to. Tanggalin mo natin to. master kakabit na. Original din yan. So may ano to, may up. Sundan nyo lang yung up. Okay. Mamaya na yung alignment. So yung next is kakabit na natin yung parking brake sa taas. Luluwagan muna natin dito. So yung tools is 12 tsaka P25. Wala akong alin pero alin lang yan. So I'll install the parking brake. So from here, I'll transfer it here.
Yes, yes.
Ganun lang. Very straightforward. Lipat mo lang yung kable rito. Okay. Yan. So, lipat lang. Tapos mamaya ayusin lang. Then dito figure ulit. So i-adjust nyo to according sa kung dito kung okay na sa inyo. Huwag yung matigas na matigas. Okay? Sa akin okay na to. Yun lang yan. Okay. So mamaya ako na ikakabit yung cover nya. Kanina binaklas na ni Ryan yung cover nya dyan. Ano una. Okay, so yung new parts na dadagdag dito, yung lever, yung knuckle support, then yung bolt para dito. Para bumalik yung configuration nito. Ito yung sinasabi kong ibabalik.
Yes, okay.
8536.
Mandai.
8536. One piece.
Pwede na natin ibalik yung ano dito. Sali. So, babalik na natin ito. Okay, so yan tayong lilipat. Ayan, lilipat natin yan. Doon kumapit yung bolt. Sugar. May kay fresh milk. Basta kapit. So, okay na siya. Good. Okay. Doon ito ka sa harap. Makita mo. So, ayun ka. Ayun. Parang walang nabago. Original pa rin siya. Original configuration. Okay? Okay, so tanggalin muna natin itong top cover kasi i-install na natin yung braided. Kaya pa nagturok, kami wala ito turukan yun. May pointed. Okay. Maturok-turok yung kin mo mo. May kin na may kin ako. Parang suki. Yung magamit ko. Hello?
Maganda si GNT natin, no? GNT. GNT. Yung Silex.
Nakuha mo na.
Nag-comment man sa Kuyatin, na-review. Airbnb, na-review kayo sa Kuya, may last.
Si Bel? Nanginom ko. Ayoko na magtanggal ng tangke, so sisiksik na lang. Gamit ka na lang gamit na lang kayo ng alambre. Ganito. Ini pemasan. Lagi tanggal itu. Ada. Ayo, lagi apa itu? So, dito natin to. Number 12 pa, Ryan. So ito, original lahat ito. Exact dito. Kasi ayaw niya nung original na hell. Mahal din kasi yung hell na na braided, nasa 6,500 yun. So ito. So ang kung gagawin nyo rito, kasi ito tumasayad to pagka kailangan magtatali kayo dun sa baba ng cable tie para hindi siya mag-grab dito. So yun ang gagawin niyo dun. Pakita mo dun kayo magtatali ng cable tie. So ito sinadya ko talaga na hindi tanggalin to kasi din ko ilalagay yung cable tie para hindi siya masusuga. Okay? So may kin. May jay. Susu. Susu dosi. Susi open. Kay Gis.
Kayo by 1.9.
Hindi.
2.5 na 3.0.
Hindi may kin.
Yeah.
Nakami tornilyo ng dukay.
May.
Alin? Termasir. So ito yung manifold na kwan. Gagamitin natin. Ganyan. Lalagay sa loob. Ganyan. So, ito, papalitan natin yung ano, kasi one time use lang ito, papalitan natin ng bago. Dukay. Tikitan. Paano ka na yung dukay?
Patulog na.
Tikitan. Mga kayo isang karok yan.
Hirap na tayo. Wala.
Takay. Takay lupo. Ano mo? Buwan mo yan. So, na-set up na yung ano, lahat ng lines dito. Here's the thing, ayokong gumamit ng ano kasi ng vacuum kasi nga iniingatan ko yung ABS module. Meron kasing ano, diaphragm yun pagka baka kasi maapektuhan. So, sinabi ko kay Luciano na ima-manual ko siya. So, it's up to you guys kung gusto nyong gumamit ng vacuum, okay. Pero kung mas prefer ko yung manual bleeding. So, abutin to ng around 30 to 40 minutes. Close. Yun lang ang matagal dito. You use your phone here for navigation? Kaya pwede mo kong kunan na kung nasa kaliwa. Bakit gusto nyo mag-convert nito? Kasi ganon, same sila ng reason kahit yung mga unang kinonvert ko is sanay sila sa mga maxi scoot and bike. So mas convenient sila na dito ang braking. Same as with my wife. Ganon din. Sanay ko sa pakita mo yung pinto. yung team ko, sanay siya diyan sa motor na yan, kaya kinonvert din namin dito sa balik mo na dito, kinonvert namin sa handbrake. So ako nga naman, tinry ko siya, convenient din naman talaga, lalo kung short rider ka, napaka-convenient naman. Nga lang, medyo tumaas na talaga yung price, gawa nung mataas na yung dollar, yung tax din. Okay. So, ulit ka na ng straight. So nandito, tatanggalin na namin itong axle na to. Okay, kami sa na-test ko na, it's working. Cruise control cancellation, it's working. So binabalik na lang yung mga mga finishing touches. Finishing touches. So ite-test ni Luciano yung motor bago umalis. Give it that. Okay, so yung mga ginawa rito is ito, nilagyan to, nakabalik yung original configuration nito, ito to, bumalik siya, then nilipat yung parking brake dito sa side na to, it's working, parking brake indicator, it's working. Luciano, the parking brake indicator is working.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it's working. Okay,
Yes, yes.
so it's good as original.
Okay.
Okay. So, what else? Yung harness na ginawa ko, good as original. Yung harness. Is the plate number of Luciano.
Yes.
So if you met him on the road, yeah. So ito. Braided hose. So meron tayong manifold dyan, and then may mga 3-way manifold dito, and then yung dilagyan ko ng plug para magmukha siyang original. What else? I think that's it.
Oh, but this die.
So this is Luciano from Italy. Hi Luciano, please hi to the camera.
Hi.
Okay, so he will test the motorcycle, and let's see what what's his comment. Okay. Happy? Okay. So it works on both brakes. You can cancel it.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
So
So
if I want to find this man.
that's why I told you that you need to practice the.
Yeah,
So be
yeah.
careful when you know.
No, I am a cartoon.
Be careful. But
No, yeah,
what's your assessment on the brake? It's more stronger or?
No, more strong. No, you know the problem what is new. Because it's new because I never.
But you can feel the
Of
strong.
course, yes,
Yeah,
more strong.
More strong than
Pero
the
the brake is new. You know
It's
the
new,
part.
that's new.
The part
Yeah,
is new.
yeah, I
The very
agree.
time for because I don't do.
It takes time.
So
I understand.
I always use in front.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You have to use it frequently.
Wow, beautiful.
Okay.
Nice.
So we have checked already. There are no leaks
No.
on the brake system. Everything is working.
Sì, no leak, no leak. Sì.
Yeah, I checked it already. So they said that there is a leakage here. That's why, but I told them that the residue is a residue of the.
No leak,
Yeah,
no leak.
yeah, no leakage.
Ma è so bravo, thank you so much. Ma io non dire, tu guardi it's 3 o'clock.
Yeah, that's why I told you it takes time.
Mamma mia.
It takes time, usually 4 to 5 hours ang conversion nito kasi hindi ako nagmamadali.
So next time, when we need to go to side together.
It's up to you, but for now it's not really good.
Però we need meet in Angeles.
Yeah, we can meet in Angeles.
Next year,
Yeah.
more near, more.
Yeah. Right now, I don't know if I have time to meet you again because it's rainy season. It could be like on.
You want to see the house? I show you the house. Ecco, the house, the new.
That's your house.
Yes.
In
No,
San Diego.
no live again. Non davo the Puglia, it's a virgin.
Where is this? In
In
Angeles?
outside del mondo.
San Jose. But you are living here in this house?
No,
longer.
no, I live near because now don't have corriente.
No power?
No,
Why?
because it's new. I finish 1 week ago.
Okay.
Virgin.
Okay, maybe next time I'll visit you there.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe Annalisa and me will visit you. And
So okay, now I something the morning. I want the US.
yeah, I packed everything what we have removed in your bike.
Yeah.
We can, if you decided to return it back to the original configuration,
No big.
we can still
No big.
return it back. So these are all the
Okay.
yeah, this one, the
Okay.
task force.
No, I don't do this. I don't do this.
No, you paid for this, so you can take
But
it.
I don't do this. So I put in
Yeah.
in my bag. Thank
Yeah,
you so
put
much.
it in the back. And I want you to bring this to your girlfriend.
Wow, thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank
and
you. She will
try
appreciate
it.
it so much. Really
So,
appreciate it.
this is the bakery when we were still young. This Pedritos is already Pedritos.
No, I testing it.
Yeah, it's I would say like 40-50 years
Very,
in Pangasinan.
Thank you so much.
Very popular in
Thank you so
Pangasinan.
much. I appreciate it so much. So, move, actually.